Hey everyone, if you want to make consistent characters with a single image without spending a penny, this video is for you. Also, you can make AI films or any other stories. So let's get started. Go to your favorite browser and log in or sign up to your ideogram account, and here click on the character icon. The character icon is the new feature recently released by the ideogram. Here quickly upload your desired image. Click on upload and select the image. On the top you can see 10 character generations left. It means you can create consistent characters from 10 images without any cost. Below you can see some templates. You can use these templates as well. So give the prompt here, click on the image. Here you can see it selects the face by default. Here choose the aspect ratio and then generate. The results are awesome. Now I'm gonna try another image. Now select another image, click on the image and select the hidden area of that image. Remove the red mark, click on save edits, give the prompt here and generate. So finally you can see the amazing results. It's unbelievable. I can't believe it's amazing. I don't think so any other tool will give this much awesome results. It's super cool. If you have any query about this topic, let me know in the comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.